Well, across the country, many gathered for Easter Sunday celebrations, and service included 2 churches in Salado that don't have a building to gather in after a violent EF3 tornado wreaked havoc last Tuesday. 6 News reporter Bailey Bates was at the service this morning where members still gathered to rejoice despite the destruction surrounding them.
All that's left here where First Cedar Valley Baptist Church used to stand is this cross and also this foundation, but not just the foundation that was holding the building up. It's also the members who make up this church. Pastor Donnie Jackson says that's the real foundation. Easter Sunday's service looked a little different than it has in previous times for some Central Texans. Members of the First Cedar Valley Baptist Church in Salado still gather, but in foldable chairs on a slab of concrete and no hymn books. They had their service with a couple hundred people. The only thing consistent, their faith in the message of what Easter Sunday is truly about. Pastor Donnie Jackson says the service came with other messages too.
It's appropriate in the sense, I guess, for this week. Everything that we've dealt with is also what the Lord dealt with during that week of his crucifixion, his burial, and now his resurrection. And that's where we are. We'll immediately start the resurrection of this church.
Pastor Jackson says he knew Easter Sunday service would happen. He just didn't know where. But then he knew it had to happen here, where foundation meets foundation. The location of the future services for First Cedar Valley Baptist Church remains unknown at this time, but I'm told they will continue to happen. We're going to have more on this special, meaningful day of services in Salado tonight on 6 News at 10. For now, reporting in Salado, Bailey Bates, 6 News.
Okay, good story, Bailey. Thank you.